Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to download and install the latest version of Kali Linux. Open your favorite browser, search for Kali Linux. Open this first link. It is Kali Linux website. This version is the latest version we have. Come to download. This version is 25.3. I want to install on VMware Workstation. Select virtual machine. Choose your virtual machine. Do you want to install on VMware or VirtualBox? I recommend to install on VMware. It is so easy. Now the VMware Workstation Pro is free for personal use. You can download and install. Download for VMware. It will take some time, depend on your network. When you download Kali Linux, it is zip. You can unzip with 7-zip or WinRAR. I want to unzip with WinRAR. It will take a few moments. Finished. Here we need this file. It is called Linux VMware AMD-64.vmx. In this step, open VMware Workstation. If you don't have already installed VMware Workstation, I have a separate video for installing VMware Workstation Pro. You can find this video on the description. You can download and install with that video. Here, let's install Kali Linux. Come to Home. Open virtual machine. Find the Kali Linux. We unzip here and download. Find this file vmware-amd64.vmx. It is important. This file is vmx. Open. Then come to edit virtual machine settings. 2 RAM is selected. If you want, you can increase your RAM if you have. I want to select 4. If you have more processor, you can select more processor. I want to select 6 or 4 is also enough. 80 gig hard disk is enough. Network adapter is not. It is okay. If you want, you can change on bridge or host only, but NAT is okay. Come to USB, select USB 3.1. You don't need to change sound setting and also display setting. Just okay. Now this setup is finished. Click on power on this virtual machine or click on this blue button. With this method, you need to run Kali Linux. You don't need to install Kali Linux. You save a lot of time with this method. The default username and password is Kali. Also Kali. Login. Guys, don't forget to like this video. If you are new here, subscribe the channel for more useful content. Have a good time. See you soon on the next video.